HC-W100SH portable high-pressure air compressor. Designed for high-standard inflation, it boasts a displacement of up to 100 liters per minute and offers two high-pressure options, 225 bar and 330 bar. Perfectly suited for diving and firefighting. Breathing air cylinders. Its core utilizes a high-efficiency 3-cylinder, 3-stage compression system powered by a reliable Honda gasoline engine, delivering aerated power of 3 kilowatts, 4 horsepower and an operating speed of 2,300 revolutions per minute, providing stable and powerful performance. The compact design measures 76x 35 x 41 cm and weighs only 43 kilograms, facilitating easy mobile deployment. It comes standard with G5 8-inch air supply interfaces for quick and reliable connection. The HC-W100SH, with its professional-grade compression power, protects divers on every deep dive and ensures firefighters' every breath.